Ultra Video Parity, oi! Android Nougat 7.0 is causing a Nexus 6P battery to drain rapidly. There's quite a few end users on Reddit complaining about this, and then also a YouTube video was made that I think is linked on this Reddit post thread that I will get to. It's affecting primarily Nexus 6P owners, but I think it's also affecting other smart devices. It is with Google's Android Nougat, which is the latest greatest 7.0. It seems as if owners that have 7.0, 7.1 and even 7.1.1 are seeing their battery get drained exponentially greater than before with Android 6 Marshmallow. Google has not responded as of yet. Some solutions is to upgrade from Android Nougat 7.0 to 7.1.1. However, some users are still complaining that even after installing 7.1.1 they are still having problems with the battery life. And then Nougat 7.1.1 is beta software. It's still in beta. It seems around the 25% percentile where these smart devices, especially the Nexus 6P, they start acting weird. They shut off quite quickly, or they even discharge quicker or discharge quicker. Now, one possible solution is to boot into a safe mode and then allow this device to completely discharge, and then once in safe mode and that device shuts off because the battery gets discharged, then you charge it completely to 100%, and then some end users notice that would fix this issue. Another possible solution is to perform a factory data reset and then downgrading to Marshmallow 6 if possible. Like I stipulated earlier, it seems as if it's not just exclusive to Nexus 6P. There are other smart device owners that don't necessarily have a Nexus 6P that notice this problem, but there's quite a few owners of the Nexus 6P that are complaining. And it seems like it's not 100% affecting all Nexus 6P device owners, but quite a few are complaining. Here's the thread over at Reddit. We can check it out quickly at the end. So it seems around the 25% percentile, somewhere close to 25%. Then end users will be taking photos with a camera, surfing the internet, watching a YouTube video, and then all of a sudden that device shuts off and it won't power on. With some users, the device will not even power back on without plugging it into an AC adapter or a USB charger, or charging it via USB port. It seems mostly with Nexus 6P, but not exclusive. Hopefully Google will look into this issue and then release a patch. Until then, owners will have to troubleshoot on their own and try to find some kind of a solution. This Reddit thread, I will include a link to this blog post at my website, innercomputers.com, so that you can peruse it on your own accord, and then you can check out this Reddit thread. There's quite a few comments as of a few minutes ago, about 274 comments. There's a few other articles on the internet with quite a few comments, but I chose just to link to Reddit. Battery will drain and doze will never kick in. Some end users, I think, were thinking of RMAing it, return merchandise authorization, but I think it's possibly a software problem and not necessarily a hardware problem with your battery. So as you can see, quite a bit of comments shutting down here's a Note 4 would die once it hit 40%. Nexus 5 after upgrading Marshmallow with 6P going from 60 to 70% to 10% in an instant, or from 20% to dead. I noticed reading through a lot of these comments that it seemed around the 25% tile where just any task would just completely shut off the device. And then also another symptom is battery drain. Just this, your battery would drain quickly compared to when your Android device was running Marshmallow. Anyways, you can peruse through this Reddit thread. It's the public service announcement: many Nexus 6P owners are experiencing random battery failure. Google up to no good again. Adios.